हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम 8th क्लास बच परान सिविक्स लेसन नंबर 4 अंडरस्टैंडिंग लॉज टाइटल बचो आज अमिक क्वेश्चन लेखन तो तुम खोलो पन पन रफ तो लिखियो इन सवालन हुन जवाब। पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो है राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स what you understand by the term the rule of law. In your response include a fictitious or real example of a violation of the rule of law. तो इसका जवाब लिखिए। A rule of law means law is supreme. Nobody is above the law. Everybody is equal before law. Any person who violates the law is punished. Example: R.K. Sharma, IG Haryana, involved in murder case, was punished by the court. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। State 2 reasons by historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India. Answer लिखो। British colonial rule was arbitrary. British officials exercised their powers arbitrarily and they were not held responsible under the law. For example, Sedition Act 1870. दूसरा रीजन, Indian nationalists played an important role in the development of rule of law. They criticized the arbitrary by British officials. In 19th century Indian legal profession demanded a respect of rule of law. तो तीसरा क्वेश्चन है read the storyboard on how a new law on domestic violence got passed. Describe in your own words the different ways in which women's group worked to make this happen. तो इसका जवाब लिखिए। A domestic violence is a serious problem and affects the rights and dignity of women. In 1999, a group of lawyers, law students, took the lead in drafting the domestic violence, and in 2002, the bill was introduced in the parliament. Women opposed it because it was not effective to check domestic violence. It was sent to parliamentary standing committee. A new bill was introduced in parliament in 2005 and was passed by the president, and Domestic Violence Act came into effect in 2006. Or question number 4 and last question. Write in your own words what you understand by the following sentence on page 44-45. They also began fighting for greater equality and wanted to change the idea of law from a set of rulers that they were forced to obey to law as including ideas of justice. तो इसका जवाब इस तरह है। In India, during the British rule, there was no equality before law. During the end of 19th century, the Indian nationalists started protest against the British rule of law. They demanded that Indians should be treated equal with Britishers and same law should be applied to both. So these are the questions. अब मैं आपको कुछ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन लिखवाता हूं. फर्स्ट है, हिंदू सक्सेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट पास्ड इन. इसका सही जवाब है 2005. ब्रिटिश आर्बिट्रेरीनेस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. इसका आंसर है सेडिशन एक्ट 1870. डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट पास्ड इन. इसका सही जवाब है 2005 और इसका इफेक्ट जो है वो 2006 में हुआ है. लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी इन इंडिया इज पार्लियामेंट. इसका सही जवाब है. डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट केम इनटू इफेक्ट 2006. तो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस, टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस, जिनका आंसर मैंने आपको बताया. तो आई होप you will written these questions on your notebook and इसके साथ ही ये लेसन जो है मुकम्मल हुआ है. तो मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. खुदा हाफिज़.